For every on-screen character that demands an 8-pack or a bulky physique, Bollywood celebrities dedicate themselves to a grueling workout regimen. However, the end result is an outcome of an entire team working around the clock for months. Along with lending a tailor-made diet plan, the nutritionist on occasion also trails the actors to follow it strictly. And that's probably why these dietitians and nutritionists charge such high fees. Now, some of the names on the list are a little tricky, so please bear with my pronunciations. Let's have a look at how much it'll cost to consult these nutritionists. First is Ryan Fernando. The man behind Aamir Khan's Dangal physique, Ryan Fernando is extremely popular in B-Town. Getting Khan to gain lots of weight for one part of the movie and then lose all of it for a ripped physique doesn't sound like an easy job. A leader in the world of sports nutrition, Fernando also takes the odd lectures for aspiring nutritionists and has won many awards for his excellence. A single consultation visit costs Rs 20,000 according to Practo. Next up is Enmami Agarwal. Like I said, names on this list could get a little tricky. Anyway, along with being the celebrity nutritionist behind Manushi Chilla's Miss World winning body in 2017, Enmami Life, founded by Enmami Agarwal, has also represented former cricketers Gautam Gambhir and Michael Clarke. Enmami Life has also won the World Health and Wellness Congress Award and the Asia Brand Excellence Award in 2017. A regular weight loss program with the Maestro comes at a price of Rs 16,500 for 3 months. Next is Rujuta Divekar. Rujuta Divekar is easily one of the most popular celebrity nutritionists in Mumbai, having represented Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan among others. Her hard work behind Kareena Kapoor's Zero figure in Tashan back in 2008 is some of her commendable work. A 3-month fitness program with her costs almost Rs 2 lakh. Next up is Shikha Sharma. A veteran in the healthcare and nutrition industry, Dr. Shikha Sharma has been around for almost 20 years now. Unlike others on this list, she relies on Vedic nutrition concepts that are personalized for improved health and overall well-being of her clients. A quarterly session with Sharma's clinic is priced at Rs 17,000. Next up on the list is another tricky name, Angie Kasabi. An international celebrity nutritionist, Kasabi is the most recent addition to the stellar list of nutritionists for Bollywood celebrities. She created a unique diet plan to help Alia Bhatt prepare for her role in Brahmastra while she was shooting in Bulgaria. For the same project, she created diet plans for Ranbir Kapoor and Moni Roy as well. As for her portfolio of international celebs, Kasabi has worked with Lady Gaga, Gerard Butler, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Britney Spears. Understandably, her services come at a very high price, which is Rs 2,000 per day for the program and an additional 7,000 rupees for consultation, according to her official website. Next up is Shonali Sabharwal. Sabharwal was the first Indian to practice as a macrobiotic nutritionist in India. Her expert nutrition advice is the secret behind Jacqueline Fernandez, Siddharth Malhotra, and Isha Deol's physiques. For her unique and exclusive services, the celebrity nutritionist charges a hefty fee of 35,000 rupees per month. Next up is Marika Johansson. Johansson first came to Mumbai in 2011 to train Hrithik Roshan for Krish 3, according to NDTV. The same report also suggested that the celebrity nutritionist charged a whopping 20 lakh rupees for her services. More recently, according to FPJ, she runs Marika's Healthy Kitchen, which has catered their services to the Roshans, Katrina Kaif, Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Shahid Kapoor, and others. And the last one on the list is Pooja Makhija. Pooja Makhija, another popular celebrity nutritionist, has Karan Johar, Vidya Balan, Deepika Padukone, Ravina Tandon, Janelia D'Souza Deshmukh, and Mandira Bedi, among others, as her clientele. She offers custom-made plans according to the needs of her client and has packages priced from Rs 7,000 per month to 23,000 per month.